Apple strikes again. This time, they're capturing the hearts and wallets of budget-conscious consumers with the iPhone 16e. This new release proves you don't need to break the bank for a quality smartphone experience. The iPhone 16e is packed with impressive features, a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation across all price points. Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, as we delve into the details of this budget-friendly powerhouse. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible value the iPhone 16e brings to the table. From its powerful processor to its long-lasting battery, this phone is a game-changer for those seeking a premium experience without the premium price tag. Let's explore what makes the iPhone 16e a standout device in its category. The iPhone 16e is designed with the everyday user in mind. It offers a seamless blend of performance and affordability, making it an attractive option for a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply wants a reliable smartphone without the hefty price tag, the iPhone 16e has something to offer. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16e is its impressive camera system. Despite being a budget-friendly option, it doesn't compromise on photo quality. You can capture stunning photos and videos, making it perfect for social media enthusiasts and amateur photographers alike. The iPhone 16e also boasts a sleek and modern design, with a range of color options to suit your personal style. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to smartphones can navigate it with ease. For tech enthusiasts, the iPhone 16e offers a powerful processor that can handle multitasking, gaming, and more without breaking a sweat. It's a device that truly punches above its weight in terms of performance. Battery life is another area where the iPhone 16e shines. With a long-lasting battery, you can go through your day without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or using apps, the iPhone 16e keeps up with your busy lifestyle. When compared to more expensive models, the iPhone 16e holds its own remarkably well. It offers many of the same features and capabilities, but at a fraction of the cost. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want a high-quality smartphone experience without the high price. In conclusion, the iPhone 16e is a testament to Apple's ability to innovate and deliver value across all price points. It's a device that offers something for everyone, from budget-conscious consumers to tech enthusiasts. Let's explore what makes the iPhone 16e a standout device in its category. Mark your calendars, tech fans. The much-anticipated iPhone 16e hit the market on February 28, 2025, sending ripples of excitement throughout the tech community. Pre-orders flew in, starting February 21, 2025, a testament to the buzz surrounding this budget-friendly device. Apple clearly understood the demand for a more affordable iPhone option, and they delivered with the 16e. The phone was released globally, ensuring that users worldwide could experience the power and innovation packed into this compact device. The iPhone 16e comes in at an attractive $599, making it the most budget-friendly option in the iPhone 16 lineup. Apple has made it clear that experiencing their renowned ecosystem shouldn't come with a hefty price tag. For those seeking a classic look, the iPhone 16e is available in sleek black and elegant white. These timeless colors complement the phone's design, offering a sophisticated aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of users. Don't let the budget-friendly label fool you. The iPhone 16e is a powerhouse under the hood. Equipped with the A18 chip, this phone delivers lightning-fast performance, effortlessly handling demanding tasks and multitasking with ease. The iPhone 16e's battery life is equally impressive, boasting an incredible 26 hours of video playback. This translates to 4 additional hours compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 16, making it a reliable companion for even the busiest days. Section 5. Display and Connectivity. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of the iPhone 16e's stunning 6.1-inch OLED screen. With a resolution of 2532 by 1170, every detail is crisp and clear, bringing your content to life with vivid colors and deep blacks. Staying connected is seamless with the iPhone 16e thanks to Apple's in-house 5G modem, the C1. Experience blazing fast download and upload speeds, making streaming and browsing a breeze. Section 6. Camera and Design. While the iPhone 16e excels in many areas, there are a few compromises made to achieve its accessible price point. The design and camera system are two areas where these trade-offs are most evident. The camera system, for instance, features a single main camera, lacking the ultra-wide lens that many users have come to appreciate in higher-end models. This single lens, however, is still capable of capturing high-quality photos with impressive detail and color accuracy. Additionally, the iPhone 16e does not include the camera control button found in its higher-end siblings, which allows for more advanced photography settings and quick access to various camera modes. Design-wise, the iPhone 16e opts for a more traditional look reminiscent of earlier iPhone models. This design choice may appeal to users who prefer a classic aesthetic over the more modern and sometimes polarizing designs of recent years. One notable omission is the Dynamic Island, a feature that sets apart the iPhone 16 Pro models. The Dynamic Island offers a unique way to interact with notifications and apps, providing a more immersive user experience. However, the iPhone 16e retains the sleek and modern aesthetic that Apple is known for, with clean lines and a premium feel. The materials used in its construction are of high quality, ensuring durability and a comfortable grip. Ensuring a comfortable and stylish user experience, the iPhone 16e is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily life. Whether you're using it for work, play, or staying connected with loved ones, it offers a reliable and enjoyable experience. Despite the compromises, the iPhone 16e stands out as a well-rounded device that delivers on the essentials without breaking the bank. Section 7. Key features. The iPhone 16e comes equipped with an array of impressive features, including the secure and convenient Face ID for unlocking your device and making secure payments. The customizable action button allows users to personalize their phone's functionality, further enhancing the user experience. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 16e benefits from the latest software advancements, including enhanced privacy features, intuitive navigation, and a plethora of apps and services available on the App Store. Section 8. Conclusion. The iPhone 16e is a testament to Apple's commitment to delivering exceptional value without compromise. This device brings together the best of Apple's technology in a package that is both affordable and powerful. From its sleek design to its robust performance, the iPhone 16e stands out in the crowded smartphone market. This budget-friendly powerhouse offers an impressive suite of features, including a powerful processor, long-lasting battery, and a stunning display. Whether you're gaming, streaming high-resolution videos, or simply browsing the web, the iPhone 16e handles it all with ease. Its battery life ensures you stay connected throughout the day, without constantly searching for a charger. While it makes some concessions in the camera and design departments, it still delivers a solid performance that will satisfy most users. The camera, though not the most advanced, captures clear and vibrant photos, making it suitable for everyday photography needs. The iPhone 16e remains an incredibly compelling option for budget-conscious consumers seeking a premium smartphone experience. Its build quality is impressive, with a design that feels both modern and durable. The device seamlessly integrates with other Apple products, enhancing the overall user experience. Apple has once again raised the bar for what a budget-friendly smartphone can achieve. The iPhone 16e proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability. It offers a balanced mix of performance, design, and functionality that is hard to beat in its price range. With the iPhone 16e, experiencing the Apple ecosystem has never been more accessible. Whether you're a first-time Apple user or looking to upgrade, the iPhone 16e provides a gateway to the seamless integration of Apple's services and devices. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to enjoy the benefits of the Apple ecosystem without breaking the bank.